Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change your language on Wish. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.wishwish.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Wish. Here, you'll have to make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now, since we're on the home page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see an initial icon of your first name. Click on that icon and you'll be led to your profile. Here, on the right side of your screen, you'll be able to see Edit Profile button. Click on it and you'll be led to your account settings. On this page, if you scroll downwards, you'll be able to see a language section. If you click on that drop-down menu, you'll be able to view all the options for the languages that you can change into. Here, I'm going to select the Portuguese language. After that, as you can see, the language on my Wish account has been changed into Portuguese. So it is that simple to change language on Wish. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.